Another day in paradise in beautiful Las Vegas. It's Ruthie Rocks here, and it is the countdown to the new year. So happy 2023 on the way. There's my dogs even chiming in. Um, we have some good news and we have some not so good news. So let's go with the not so good news first. Um, this year has been quite a change mid-year. We are only selling 59 homes a day this month. We only sold 68 per day last month. And we don't see the trend changing too much. Now, the median price did go down, according to today's stats, to 428,000. I guess that's a little bit of a good news on the edge there, but we still have the high interest rates. And but the really good news is that most of the major statistical reporters are saying that there's not a lot of appreciation this year, but we have appreciation, and I'm going to show you that in just a minute. But let's look at the stats today. So we have 116 days of inventory based on November's 68 per day, meaning that if you use the 59 per day for December, we probably have a few more days. But anyway, 3 months is good. And we are selling, still maintaining that $4+ million homes per day. And we are selling 30 homes to investors slash non-owner occupieds per day. So some of the market is pretty stable. Where we're running into problems, of course, is the typical home buyer. The new home buyer especially has basically left the market with these high interest rates. I'm sure there's some first-time home buyers, but not that many. Not like we were seeing with the low interest rates. Anyway, yeah, the new median price is 428,000. Now, Jimmy and I think he figured, one of us, I don't know, we figured between 430 and 425. So I think we're both winners there, because we still have closings coming on Thursday, which will adjust that price probably a little bit, but we shall see. We shall see. As far as the $428,000 price, we listed 23 homes yesterday in that price range for a total of 2,229 single-family homes in that price range of 428 0 to 428,000. Total availables in Las Vegas right now is 7,945. 6,213 of those are single family homes. We closed 24 yesterday and we listed 59 yesterday. So nothing too much changing in the scheme of things on our daily stats.